In order to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on POCO X7 Pro, we need to open the settings. Then in the settings, we need to find and go to sound and vibration. And now we need to scroll down a little bit, and in sound options in this section over here, you will find Do Not Disturb. You can tap on this option, and here you can enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also find some additional settings for the DND mode. In addition to that, you can also open the control center by swiping from the top towards the bottom on the right side. And here you might be able to find the DND mode, but if it's missing, then you can press edit at the bottom. And here in system toggles, we should be able to find it. There we go. I have mine over here, so I can tap on it in order to add it to the control center, and I can also drag and drop it pretty much anywhere I wish to in order to have it in the desired spot. Press the check in the top right corner in order to save it, and then you have the shortcut for DND in the control center as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!